Alright, so guys, yesterday I talked about time farm and how you can make withdrawal of your token on time farm. So now I said yesterday that my time farm seconds was actually converted into time and I can withdraw, which I'm going to show you right here. So have I received the token in my wallet or not? Okay, so we're going to talk about that in this particular video. So if you have not subscribed to this particular channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when I drop more of the videos on this particular channel. I'm not going to waste too much of your time in this particular episode of time farm. So right now I have about 31,722,076, and obviously I have more than 4 billion seconds before. So now time farm said I am qualified for this particular drop session. So they said people that actually contributed to the project, especially people that referred, are going to be the first categories of people that are going to have the drop. So I was part of those people that had the drop, and another set of people are going to coming very soon, like very soon. I think this coming week another drop set of people are going to be up to be qualified. So you can see it says you are qualified, convert your seconds into time. You can obviously see right here, convert your seconds into time. So once you are eligible, you are going to see this right there. So I have converted my seconds into time and I qualified for about 12 times. About 12 times, that is what I got qualified for. And for me to get that 12 times, I need to convert my seconds into that time. So they are going to charge the seconds I have. So I had to forgo my 4 billion seconds for that 12 times. So whatever it is that you are qualified for, you are going to convert the seconds into the time. If you qualify for maybe 5 times, so that means the seconds you have, you are going to convert it into that time, and that is it. So now let's talk about withdrawal. So once you convert it into time, that particular time you have is going to be vested over 21 days, I think. Yeah, it's going to be vested over 21 days. So I got qualified for 12 and I've withdrawn about 7.6 times already, and it has actually come into my wallet. You can see it right there on the notification. It says 7.6 times has actually been deposited right into my wallet right there. And I'm going to go into my TonKeeper right now to see. Alright, so this is my TonKeeper and you can see where it says jTime right here. So a time is $12.98. So a time is 12.98. So I was credited 7.7 right here, which I'm going to open right here. So you can see when it came. It came in 10:59 a.m. this morning, and right here it happens to be $99.98, which I received from time farm. So obviously I've received mine, and if I come over right here, I can claim the remaining 4.4 time, and everything is going to be unlocked in 30 days. So I've actually unlocked all of mine already, and you can come over to N right here. Come over to N, and you can come over to time staking and come over to withdraw. You're gonna see withdraw right in here, withdraw time. So once you come over to withdraw time right here, so you can see it has actually been completed. 7.6 times has actually been withdrawn, and if I want to withdraw once again, I need to obviously come over to the time fund back here, and I'm going to come over to convert, and I have 4.4 to go, so I can claim my 4.4 right now. So now I'm just going to tap on claim 4.4 seconds right there, and it's going to be vested for 30 days also before I can withdraw it. And once I withdraw it, it's going to take additional 7 days. That's a whole lot of time, but you just have to wait for them, and that is it. So I have received my 7.6 time into my TonKeeper, and I can trade it right now. So that is it, guys. Just wait for your drop. If you're not qualified yet, you need to just wait for it to come on your account before you withdraw. So I've received mine in my wallet right now. So that will be all for now, guys, and thank you so much, and I'll be saying bye for now.